up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this pink and purple Xena look. No, just kidding. Pink and purple Barbie look for the Jamie Week of Color Day 3 Pink and Purple Challenge, as if you couldn't tell. So yeah, if you're interested in this look, keep watching. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to be using my James Charles Morphe palette. And we're just going to be basically staying down in this general region. So I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush and we're actually going to go with the hot pink down at the bottom. And we're going to put that in our crease. So after you have it on, then just take a clean fluffy brush and we're just going to blend it to the top of the eyebrow and out. Alright, and I'll do the same to the other eye. And then once you have that on, we're going to go in with this one right next to it. Why does everything sound like a question today? Oh my god. Alright, and then when you're blending it, you're going to place it first in your crease, pat it down, and then give it a light blend. And I'm going to pick up some more, kind of tilt my head back and go back in, place it in, then blend it out a little bit. And do it again. And I'm bringing this purple to the front of my eye because I'm going to do a cut crease. And then we'll do the same to the other eye. Colors are so fun. And then with your clean brush, just go in and kind of blend everything through again. Alright, now, going in with more of that purple color, and just gonna kind of touch up this eye. I just go back and forth with tapping and blending the color. Alright. I say alright like 1,000 fucking times. Now we're going to grab that dark purple and focus that more on the outer corner. Same brush still. The brush looks like ombre as hell, so that's what we want our eye to look like. Okay, so just keeping that concentrated in the back. And then whatever's left over on your brush, we're just going to bring that forward. And we'll do the same on the other eye. And again, go in and blend it. Now, you're just going to take a flat concealer brush. I think I'm going to go in with a different one. Once you load your brush up front and back, tilt your head back, and we're going to cut this crease. So I'm going to place my brush down and really load it up with product. And then we're just going with another brush, and we're just gonna pat it down. And we'll deal with the corner in a minute. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. And once you have it cut out, now it's the fun part. So you're just gonna take purple sparkles right there. And we're just gonna put that on where we cut our crease. So I'm just gonna load my brush up with that. I'm gonna load my brush up with that. And I'm going to focus that at the bottom. And I just keep loading it up like a mofo. And I'm leaving a little bit of a gap because I just now decided I'm gonna load that up with my pink from my Resi palette. So just kind of pack that all over the lid, leaving a slight gap of white. And now, this is what it looks like a little bit more up close. I'm gonna go in with that bright pink from the James Charles palette from the beginning with another brush and just kind of touch up the outside. So basically what I'm doing with that color is I'm just really cutting the crease from like the top half. Focuses. Okay, next step, grab your Anastasia Resi palette, and I'm gonna dip too. I'm gonna first go in with the Wasted and then the Anastasia. And we're just gonna hit right in here. And just kind of go over the shape. For your cut crease, when I have like way more cut, and then I'm just gonna blend the top out. And I'm gonna do it again. Hello. All right, to really cut that crease, I'm gonna go in with the pink from the James Charles palette on a flat brush, tilt my head back, and just pop it in there. So I'm gonna look this way because I wanna get my brush head to be like laying against my nose almost. And I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Blend everything through. Okay, pencil brush. And now we're just gonna go in and cut it again. So I'm gonna go in with that, I'm gonna go with the Anastasia, that shimmery color, and we're just gonna cut the crease again. Okay. Go back in with that purple color, my purple shiny color that I put originally on the lid. Load my brush up and just kind of cut out the white one that I put up. Okay, now I'm going to redo this again. Put this on the lid. And I'm just going to concentrate that color really on the middle of my lid and up. And now I'm going to go in and blend more of the pink out in here. And we're just going to clean up the back end now. So I'm going to go in with the darkest purple that I have. Just darken your crease. And once everything's placed on there, we're just going to clean up the edges. So we're just going to go here. Kind of sweep them out so it's not like so bubbly. And same thing on the other side. And I'm just going to clean up under my eyes and then we'll do the under eyes. Ugh. Created my own cut crease in the front. Soft cut crease though, like not crazy. And now we'll do our face. Alright, so I'm going to do my face and then I'll pop back on to do the under eye. Alright, so I have most of my face done. So now we're going to do lips. So I'm actually going to be taking Anastasia Dusty Rose liquid lipstick. And I'm going to use this as my base. So after I put that on, I'm going to go in with my MAC Smoked Purple, which it melted down, but it will still work, and a lip brush. And I'm going to put this around my edges. And I'm just going to put my brush on. All right. Load your brush up with product. And then once I put the purple on the edges, I'm actually gonna go in with a super hot pink lipstick. It's crazy, it's called Weekend Barbie from Anastasia. I'm gonna go in with my brush again, and I'm gonna focus that on the center. I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I put the purple the purple glitter on with, and we're gonna just go in with the hot pink. Hot pink from our palette. And I'm gonna zoom in. And we're just gonna put this underneath our eyes. And once we have that placed, we're just going to go in with our 217 brush and blend it out. Alright, so I did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to do my eyes. And all I'm going to do is take some eyeliner. Can be anyone. I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm just going to get my lash line. No crazy cat eyeliner today or anything. Just kind of run that back and forth. So now I'm going to put my lashes on, and I'll come right back.